I've learned a lot. On these 3 days, I've learned a lot of things, which is how to make money online, how to make money by using other people's business. And also, I've met a lot of a group of people in here which I can be able to collaborate with them and just do different things. It brightened my day, see that there's a lot of people who have gone through the different problems which they've made it through, and I think I can make it through. This is the one. Because the way these people, I went to a free training for 3 days, listen to these people, it just makes me to get into it, and I'm in it, and I just want to win it. I said that these guys are brilliant. They are. Thank you very much for your help, for making me realize what potential I've got, which I can work on it through you guys for mentoring.